Okay, in order to make a little bit more sense of this, let's review really quick our diatonic chord progression. Major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished, right? That's our major diatonic chord progression, okay? It's our minor diatonic chord progression. Okay, minor diatonic chord progression is minor, diminished, major, minor, minor, major, major. Okay. So when we say mode mixture, what we're saying is borrowing from another mode. Now we've talked about this way back when we talked about circle of fifths. We said, you can borrow from closely related keys. That's what we're doing, but we're going to get a little more elaborate with it. So all we've done here is we are in C major. Okay, our whole thing is cruising through C major with this. But right here, what we do is we say, I don't want the 3 chord that's in key for me. I want to do something a little funkier. So I'm going to grab the 3 chord from the other mode, from another mode. Okay, so grabbing the 3 chord from another mode means minor. I mean, it could also mean, Lydian, Dorian, Phrygian, Locrian, any mode, really. But in this case, all we've done is hop over to the minor key, which is a mode, which is a different mode, and we grabbed the 3 from that mode rather than the mode we were in, which is major, right? So, mode mixture. We swapped 3 for 3, okay? We took our minor 3, we replaced it with major 3 that was in the minor key. Now that's also built on a different note, so we had to add that flat there. Now we don't need to notate anything extra to show that it's mode mixture from the minor key. We just use flat 3 to show that it's out of key, and that's all we need to do for the Roman numeral analysis. But we're just borrowing it from another key, mixing modes, if you will. And that's how that works. Now, why would we do it? Oh, there's a good reason. It lets us do a couple really cool things. Let's hear this chord progression one more time, and I want you to focus your ear on the bass line. Check this out. Right? I had this cool little chromatic bass line there. I've also got a cool little chromatic note here. I guess it's not chromatic, but a nice little descending line from C to B flat to A. Another, I guess this is parallel, but E flat to D. The parallels are okay because I'm not in strict 4 voice harmony here. But you can make these cool little chromatic lines inside of chords that are, or inside of chord progressions that are really fun to have. I kind of think that's a fun sound. It's a little different. If I was writing a pop song, I might throw this in, right? Like, do something different, Get creative. So what we're going to be seeing in this part of music theory is we're really kind of heading into kind of the mid to late 18th century when composers really started to get into mode mixture, because I don't want to put words into composers' mouths, but I think probably what we're seeing is they were getting bored with the old chord progressions. Everyone was using the same chord progressions, and we can do key changes all over the place, and we can do sequences, but at some point, just throw a chord in there from a different key altogether, from a different mode altogether, and create something new. So that's where we get it.